How to log into Pinterest account. Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about how you can easily sign into your Pinterest account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is open up any web browser you have and then simply search for pinterest.com and you will be taken to this website right here. And once you land on the home page, you'll have two options on the top right. If you already have an account, you can directly tap on sign in, or if you don't have one, you can just tap on sign up to create a new account. Now, if you tap on the login option, you can directly continue with your email and your password. So go ahead and enter your email first. And once you have entered your email, you can just head over and enter your password. And if you've connected your Facebook account or your Google account previously, you can directly continue from there as well. And in case you've forgotten your password, tap on this forgot password to reset it. Just enter your email ID and it will send a password reset link on your email. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to enter my password right here. And once you have entered your password, you should be logged into your account like this. So as you can see, if I tap on the top right corner, here I am completely logged in on my profile. And if I head over to my homepage, you can see all of these pins on the Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.